Today we're going to be cooking this delicious and easy to cook butter chicken recipe. You're going to need your chicken, butter, coriander, some fresh chilies, cashew nuts, ginger, tomato, yogurt, double cream, lemon, and finally a pack of Shan butter chicken mix. Firstly, add half a lemon's worth of lemon juice to your chicken. Then add 3 tablespoons of yogurt and your Shan butter chicken mix. Mix thoroughly and leave to one side. Next, chop up your tomatoes and add to a pan. Add a cup of water and then simmer on a medium heat for around 10 minutes until soft. Next, transfer your tomatoes into a blender, add the cashews, and blend into a smooth paste. Put your pot on a medium heat, add some oil, and then put your chicken in. Cover and let it cook for around 10 minutes. Then add 100 grams of butter and let that melt, and then mix it into your chicken. Then finally add your sauce and mix well. Simmer for another 10 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked thoroughly throughout. Finally, serve your dish garnished with coriander, chilies and ginger strips. Add some double cream and serve with bread or rice. Enjoy!